of the financial markets. These are the brokers. The gamblers are the traders. Alors, apparemment, on est à Paris. À Paris, Las Vegas. I don't know. I haven't seen any like Paris pour de vrai. So pretty though. I don't even know how to get out of here. We should return exactly where we came from so we just don't get lost. Wow, it's pretty, huh? I mean, c'est petit. Definitely does not compare to the real one. It'll do, I guess. It'll do for the moment.
Oh, good. You don't have any gambling problems yet.
No.
We don't gamble.
Has anybody got an Italian song to request, or you just want to leave it up to me?
No, this is all you.
Go, Joe. Shake it like a Giovanna. Well, quesadilla. You're happy in the pizza with mambo. Italiano. Joe. Shake it like a Giovanna. Well, quesadilla. I will be here all week. All month. Here. I might.
The display of New York. It looks like a toy version of New York. This whole city looked like a GTA map. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, d'accord. Attends. Yo, it's been a minute. It's been a long time. Honestly, it's been a long time. At least I feel like it's been a long time. I did Vegas and Miami in a short span of time. I think I'm going to include some Vegas clips in this video and then do Miami clips the next video. I feel like I uploaded my last video super long ago. Actually, hold on. Let's check. Wait.
Yeah, my last video.
Oh, May 16th. Really? Oh, oops. Okay, so it was a month ago. Wow. Okay, so like, what happened? I'm still not funded. Yeah, I'm still not funded. It's coming though. You know that like challenge that I was with for like way longer than I should have been? Yeah, I full ported full margin that it's finally gone. She had to go. Really, I needed to start fresh. I want to start fresh. Okay. I have to take accountability. I do. Obviously, it's trading. There's nowhere else to look. But I do know that I do take a lot of unnecessary losses. A lot of my unnecessary losses eat at my profits, which is actually what we're about to go over today. The trades that I executed yesterday, the simple fact that if I never executed one of those trades, I would have been able to place more risk on a trade that's higher probability. Anyway, long story short, I've been blabbing a lot. I feel like my mind is occupied a lot. Documenting my trading journey online has not been as ideal and easy as I thought it would be. Of course, I'm going to be transparent, right? At the end of the day, these are my videos. I watch back at my videos. I'm the one that's putting these together. If I'm lying to anybody, I'm lying to myself. So, I said that to say it's a lot going on outside. It is a process. It is a journey. It's nothing negative though. When I say mind occupied, I think I just mean like I'm part of the problem because I am an overthinker. I'm fully aware. Yeah. I feel like I have so much to catch up on, but long story short, I'm still not funded. That 100K challenge account is finally gone. Okay. I'm getting another one, by the way. I don't care. Yeah, life is lifing. Got back from vacation. Okay. Working. Okay. I'm okay. I am blessed. Yeah. Alhamdulillah. And yeah, that's what's important for right now. So yesterday was a very interesting day. Coming into the day, I felt very confident of where we were going. Oh my god, I hate this dumb mark BS. What the hell? Why? I really love FX replay. No, trading view lost me. This is bothering me so much right now. Let's zoom out to get an idea of price. Though we have equal low sitting below us, bullish structure and still in dominance. On the 4 hour, we managed to manipulate at a 4 hour fair value gap, letting me know that we are currently respecting this bullish order flow. On ES, SPX 500, we traded inside this 4 hour fair value gap. This is enough indication for me. We got some sort of manipulation and it aligned beautifully. You zoom into the day. Right before equity open, not only do we trade, quote unquote trade, inside this 4-hour fair value gap, manipulate Asia low, which is really this low right here, during London. London manipulates Asia. Pre-market manipulates these two lows, Asia and London. We reverse on the 15-minute. So at New York Open, we had officially reversed. Around 9 o'clock is when I show up at my desk. At this point, we're about right here in price. I would say right here. Yeah, how do I? Oh, okay, there we go. Looking at this right now, this is the A+ formation that I typically look for. I am hands down confident that we are more likely to reach the London low. Manipulating Asia and London, we trade inside a 4-hour fair value gap. Managed to respect that. Reverse on the M15. Timeframes are in alignment. This change in the state level is being respected. Now, when equity open pulls through, is when I execute my first position. Now, here is when I start feeling FOMO. The way this opened is exactly how I saw equity open coming down. I was ready to buy when price was right here. I would say the only reason I didn't buy is because I had not had my coffee yet and it was not equity open. If I go back my game plan for the day, this is what I mapped out yesterday before equity open. I said, honestly, ready to buy. Minimum to London high. It's giving A+ setup. Bearish, got some resistance at London high, given like this 4-hour fair value gap is what I'm referring to. The only place that makes the most sense to go short, right? So at this point in time, around this change in the state M15, I am bullish. I'm fully bullish to that London high minimum. Those are my thoughts, right? So when I see equity open like this, I'm in FOMO and I end up executing. I execute, I think it was like something like this. It was something like this, right? Obviously our stop hits. And that's when I zoom out and I'm like, wait, really? Given the fact that I am monitoring this M15 reversal, if we look at price on the M15, we can see that structure never broke high. What that tells me is that we had every possibility to come back into this area of price. So what I'm trying to say is, when we had this displacement at equity open, we never legit really displaced above anything. So this trade was never valid. The only way I would deem this first execution a valid trade is if we displaced above a distinct high. And if you look at this M15 right here, we never displaced above a distinct high. If anything, we swept it. There was no real distinct high on the M5 either. So I get stopped out and my bias still holds, okay? I realized very early that I FOMO'd into the trade and I was just doing way too much. So once we got this manipulation and we managed to form a fair value gap back into the range, back out, is when I set my other limit, giving this another shot. And I ended up placing the same amount of risk. I didn't go any heavier, only because, well, I just took a stupid loss. This is a live screenshot of my first L. I said was ready to buy at change in the state in 15, this purple line. FOMO'd into the trade after price displaced how I imagined it would at equity open. This was pure emotion, which is why I rated it a 3-star. How do I feel about this trade? Maybe this is a loss I needed, but it should have never happened. This trade definitely falls under my equity open theory, which is why I have it at an F for quality. And my equity open theory is, within the first 10 minutes of equity open, the trades I execute are either booty caca or flawless. What did I learn from this position? The biggest technical flaw of this trade may have been market structure. This is the type of trade you execute during a breakout. Here, price never displaced through a distinct high. And of course, the emotional and temp conditions. I say temp conditions because I was so tired. Okay, I was so tired, honestly. And emotional because I FOMO'd. I FOMO'd into the trade. So yeah, it should have never been executed. And the correct trade that was executed very beautifully. Oh, I forgot to write the P&L outcome. But I said entry was kind of wild, not gonna lie. The SMT is what truly did it. For the entry, I only had 2 confirmations. The higher time frame was really what was supporting this trade. If I wasn't so damn tired, A risk grade for sure. Basically, this is me saying I should have risked more. Whether I learn from this position, like we've noticed, take low quality setups like this. The previous one is what stops you from truly maximizing these moves. For where I was at with that loss, I guess it is what it is. But not taking so many stupid losses, I wouldn't be struggling as much as I am right now. And really what it is, having to look at my life outside of trading. That's what it is, because it's inevitable. It's going to slip into your trading. It's going to be your trading. If you're undisciplined outside, you will be undisciplined inside. I'm not calling myself an undisciplined person, but I be slipping up sometimes, you feel me? Like, it is what it is. Yeah, I can only get better from here. And yeah, I'm going to go because my train is in exactly 14 minutes. Yeah. Oh, this is so pretty though. Yeah, the Venetian, however the hell you say that, was definitely the Venetian hotel. That was an amazing hotel. That's the best one. Yeah, I think so too.